Doing household chores can take a lot of time and effort, but with the right gadgets, things can get a lot easier. In this video, I have listed the best 20 Amazon gadgets that can help with everyday tasks around the house. These products can save time and make chores feel less like a hassle. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. ProChop Pickle Grabber Tool. Effortlessly grab pickles, olives, and more without getting your fingers messy using a smartly designed fork that attaches directly to the jar. The stainless steel prongs ensure a firm grip on food without accidental slipping, while the silicone rings stretch to accommodate various jar sizes. Designed for convenience, the fork easily stores in its holder after use. With its sleek packaging, this tool makes a thoughtful gift for pickle lovers on any occasion. Plant Castle Lattice Dough Cutter. Roll out perfect lattice pastries with a cleverly designed wheel that cuts cleanly, creating an elegant pattern with ease. Whether making pie crusts, pizza dough, or cookies, this tool delivers consistent results in seconds. The sturdy construction features a durable wooden handle that provides a comfortable grip, while high-quality stainless steel blades ensure precision cutting without wobbling. Built to last, this well-crafted baking essential will remain a go-to tool for years. Gizmos Adjustable Wood Rolling Pin. Achieve perfect dough thickness with an adjustable rolling pin featuring 5 size options and built-in measurement markers for precise baking. Crafted from water-resistant teak, this French-style pin glides smoothly through pastry, pasta, and cookie dough. The handle-free design offers superior control, while food-grade PP rings ensure even thickness every time. A bonus wooden holder keeps the pin stable when not in use and doubles as a stand for phones or tablets while baking. Hooperton Magnetic Spice Rack. Maximize kitchen space with a strong magnetic spice rack that securely attaches to refrigerators, washing machines, or other iron surfaces. Constructed from high-quality steel with a black matte finish, it is waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring durability. The super-strong magnetic backing holds up to 6 pounds without slipping. No installation is required, just unpack and use instantly to keep spices, jars, and condiments organized and easily accessible. JYXYXSCP Electric Hot Pot. Enjoy versatile cooking with a multifunctional electric hot pot that allows for boiling, baking, and frying all in one. A double-sided 180-degree opening with independent temperature controls provides precise heat adjustment. The spacious 7 cm deep pot is ideal for serving family meals, while the powerful 1600-watt performance ensures quick and efficient cooking. Featuring a non-stick surface, this unit is easy to clean, requiring only a simple wipe with a soft cloth. Conlywell Rubber Broom Carpet Rake. Electrostatic rubber bristles act like a magnet to attract debris and pet hair, ensuring an efficient cleaning process without spreading dirt into the air. The built-in rubber squeegee edge makes it easy to clean liquid spills from windows, floors, and even cars. A washable broom head allows for easy cleanup under tap water. The adjustable telescopic handle extends from 24 to 45 inches, making it suitable for users of all heights, while the soft rubber bristles prevent surface scratches. Zelanua's Hot Dog Roller. Evenly cook hot dogs with a roller designed to provide a consistent char every time. Featuring a detachable wooden handle, it stays cool while grilling and allows for easy flipping. The compact design accommodates various hot dog types, including chicken, beef, and frankfurters. Beyond hot dogs, this versatile grill accessory works great for roasting corn, making it a must-have for home and outdoor barbecues. Dishwasher-safe components ensure hassle-free cleanup. Capelbus Stone Drying Mat. Rapidly absorb and evaporate moisture with a stone drying mat made from natural diatomaceous earth, featuring a solid wood dish rack for easy organization. More absorbent than traditional mats, it keeps countertops dry and clutter-free. Non-slip stainless steel legs with silicone pads enhance stability and airflow, preventing water buildup. The easy assembly requires just a few screws, making it a convenient, space-saving solution for drying dishes and fresh produce. Chiunazadila Pot Strainer. Easily strain pasta, vegetables, and more with a compact clip-on pot strainer featuring 2 sturdy clips for a secure fit on any pot or bowl. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone, this durable strainer withstands high temperatures without warping. Its space-saving design takes up half the space of traditional colanders, making it ideal for small kitchens. Cleaning is effortless, simply release the clips and toss it in the dishwasher for a quick rinse. Shoe MGK Complete Kit. Featuring a complete shoe care solution, this premium kit includes a powerful cleaner and conditioner, a water and stain repellent, a deodorizer, and a durable cleaning brush. Designed to maintain all types of footwear, from sneakers to leather, it ensures deep cleaning while preserving longevity. The repellent spray shields against dirt, stains, and water, keeping shoes fresh and protected in any weather. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and superior care for your favorite pairs. Pipi Shell Bamboo Expandable Drawer. Designed for multipurpose use, this bamboo drawer organizer efficiently stores cutlery, jewelry, stationery, and tools in various settings. With 6 to 8 adjustable compartments, it expands from 13 to 19.6 inches wide for optimal organization. Made from premium bamboo, it offers durability and a tidy, elegant look. The practical design helps declutter small items while providing easy access, making it ideal for keeping kitchens, bedrooms, and offices neatly arranged. Full-Star Mandoline Slicer. Built for convenience, this compact mandoline slicer offers effortless functionality with for slicing options in one space-saving tool. It features a removable container for mess-free storage and a dishwasher-safe design for easy cleaning. Equipped with razor-sharp stainless steel blades and a non-slip finger guard, it ensures safe and efficient slicing. Perfect for zoodles, vegetable pastas, and garnishes, it delivers precision cutting while minimizing waste and maximizing food yield. Chores Food Dehydrator. Offering precise temperature control from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, this food dehydrator ensures even drying with a rear fan for consistent airflow. Featuring 4 custom presets for jerky, fruits, vegetables, and yogurt, it comes fully equipped with 5 trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, and a recipe book. Its compact design fits easily on countertops, while dishwasher-safe trays and a quiet operation make food preservation simple and efficient. Govee Smart Plug. With upgraded stability, this smart plug supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring a reliable, fast connection for effortless home automation. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing voice control for hands-free convenience. Scheduling features help save energy by automatically turning appliances on and off, while group control simplifies management of multiple devices. Compact and certified for safety, this smart plug seamlessly integrates into any modern smart home setup. Rear-Fire Self-Watering Spikes. Designed for effortless plant care, these self-watering spikes provide a slow, steady water supply for indoor and outdoor plants. Simply insert the stake into the soil and attach a water-filled bottle to keep plants hydrated for days. Compatible with various bottle types, this eco-friendly system repurposes plastic bottles while ensuring consistent moisture. Ideal for vacations or busy schedules, it offers a worry-free solution to maintaining vibrant, healthy plants. Gorilla Grip Bed Sheet Straps. Engineered for secure sheet placement, these adjustable bed sheet straps feature durable metal clips and thick elasticized bands that stretch up to 25 inches. Their unique circular design enhances strength and durability, preventing sheets from slipping. Designed for all bedding sizes, they ensure a smooth, wrinkle-free look without requiring mattress flipping. Easy to install in just 4 steps, these straps provide a reliable, hotel-quality bed-making experience. E-Boot Adhesive Cable Clips. Equipped with strong adhesive backing, these self-adhesive cable clips firmly hold cables in place for a tidy and organized space. With 100 pieces included, they offer versatile cable management for home, office, and car use. Compatible with various wires such as computer cables, USB cords, and holiday lights, they prevent tangling and create a clutter-free environment. Their easy-to-use design allows for a customized arrangement to suit different organizational needs. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. Designed with a stack and press operation, this electric vegetable chopper simplifies food prep with one-touch chopping. Its stainless steel blades effortlessly cut through ingredients like onions, carrots, and nuts, while an integrated oil dispenser allows for easy emulsification of dressings and sauces. The compact 3-cup capacity makes it ideal for everyday use, and dishwasher-safe components ensure hassle-free cleaning. Perfect for quick, efficient chopping with minimal effort. AUGO Magnetic Screen Door. Featuring a full-frame magnetic seal, this mesh screen door provides superior insect protection while allowing fresh air to flow through. Designed for easy installation with hook and loop tape and push pins for added security, it fits standard doors and sliding entries. Durable polyester mesh withstands frequent use, making it ideal for homes with pets and children. The self-closing design ensures hands-free convenience while keeping mosquitoes and bugs out. Brookstone Laundry Basket. Built for convenience, this collapsible laundry basket saves 70% more space than traditional baskets when folded flat. With a generous capacity, it holds a full load of laundry while remaining lightweight and easy to carry with comfortable grip handles. Ventilation holes promote airflow, preventing moisture buildup. Designed for both wet and dry laundry, its sturdy construction ensures durability while offering a stylish, clutter-free storage solution for any home. That wraps up our list of 20 incredible Amazon gadgets designed to make household chores a breeze. With these smart, time-saving tools, tackling everyday tasks has never been easier. Whether you're looking to speed up cleaning, simplify organization, or just make life at home more convenient, there's a gadget for everyone. Want to grab any of these for yourself? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews.